Hello people, we're in the woods again, Jackie, and we make dandelion fritters. That's what they look like in the batter. Picked flowers, got some nice syrup. This is an underground oven. That's the chimney with some water boiling. So yeah, these are the fritters. Need some nice chopsticks.
Yummy.
One, two. That's it. Put some more in. It's got a bit messy now, this oh god. We've had about 5 or 6 of them. This is at the end now. This is our
dregs of it.
Yeah, our 10th one. Yeah, we've had a lot today. We've had ransom stems, blackcurrant flowers, got a little bread in there. This is a birch syrup that we made there. We're gonna have some coffee, dandelion coffee. But yeah, you want to show them the eating? I'm just gonna use one of these.
Do
you want the big one?
No. What we're dipping it in here. This is a brilliant way to eat anything because it's deep fried, so you know it's going to be crunchy and delicious, but also you're getting all the nutrients from whatever flower or leaf that you're eating. It's just going to taste nice whatever you do to it. Nice.
It's the best way to eat dandelion fritters.
Oh, nice.
Now there's a little chimney. Time for the coffee.
Okay.